In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Calendar 2025 step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. In the top right corner, open the Google Apps menu, the grid of small squares, and choose Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar where we'll make all our changes. Look to the left sidebar. Find the section labeled My Calendars. If the list is collapsed, hover over it or click the tiny arrow to expand it. Locate the calendar you want to personalize. Hover over its name to reveal a three dots menu next to it. Click that menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the detailed settings for just that calendar. Right at the top, you can rename your calendar. Give it a clear, descriptive title so you can identify it at a glance. Just below, add a description. This is great for clarifying what the calendar is for, like team meetings, personal goals, or deadlines, so future you knows exactly how to use it. Your changes save automatically. When you're done, use the back arrow or the calendar link to return to the main calendar view. In the left sidebar again, hover over your calendar name, click the three dots, and pick a color. Consistent colors help you visually separate work, personal, and shared calendars. If the default palette isn't enough, choose a custom color to match your system or brand. Next, move to the top right corner and open the gear icon. Click Settings, then select Appearance. Here you can choose how calendar looks overall. Pick light for a bright classic look, dark to reduce eye strain, or device default to match your system theme automatically. Once you've made your choice, click Done to apply it across your calendar. You may also see a highlight option in the theme panel. Click highlight to increase contrast so events and colors stand out more clearly. If you want to adjust it again, reopen the theme panel by choosing Appearance, make your tweaks, and click Done to finish. As a quick recap, access calendar from the Google Apps menu, select your calendar from the left sidebar, open the three dots menu to reach Settings and Sharing, rename and describe the calendar, return to the main view to set a color, and then fine-tune the overall look in Settings under Appearance. Use light, dark, or device default, and turn on highlight if you want extra contrast. Click Done whenever you're finished to confirm your choices. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now customized, clear, and easy to scan at a glance.